I saw hungry. I could work right now. My stomach is working noise. I feel die now. Wait, what's that? Isn't it? Consuming coffee. That sounds messy, but also delicious. Maybe there was something wrong and yummy.
Welcome to the Chamo Coffee. You look like you have been working forever. What can I get for you today?
I've been working a lot. I'm hungry. What weekend of food do you guys have?
Got lots of tasty stuff. We have different types of coffee like latte, cappuccino, mocha, and our strong Americano. For food, we have got creamy pasta, spicy spaghetti, sandwich, pastries, and even muffins. What do you want?
Really good. I want something warm and something that wake me up.
Okay lah.
Our creamy pasta and a cup of Americano coffee. It's a great combo and lots of people love it.
I take one creamy pasta and one creamy americano, please.
That RM20 ringgit. Will you be paying with cash or card?
I have got cash.
Take a receipt and I bring your order in a few minutes.
It's right. This is the letter and tomato spaghetti. I don't know even like tomato spaghetti. What I to do? My americano and creamy pasta.
Yes. Can I help you?
Yeah, I think the bean steak. I order americano coffee and creamy bean steak. I order americano coffee and creamy pasta. But I got the late and tomato spaghetti instead.
That's totally my fault. I must be mixed up the order ticket. Let me fix this.
Forward the creamy pasta too. I so hungry.
Let me talk to my manager. He'll help sort this out. Small problem. I accidentally gave a customer the wrong order. He asked for Americano and creamy pasta, but I gave him a latte and tomato spaghetti.
That's no good, but we can fix it. Is the customer upset?
He was really hungry and excited for the food.
Be careful. I go talk to him myself. Can you start preparing the correct order?
Eat right away. We got a small problem. I accidentally gave a customer the wrong order. He asked for Americano and cream pasta, but I gave him a latte and tomato spaghetti.
That's not good, but we can fix it. Is the customer upset?
Yeah, a bit. He said he was really hungry and excited for the food.
Okay, let's handle this careful. I go talk to him myself. Can you start preparing the correct order?
Make it right away.
Yeah, I'm Mio, the manager here. I heard there was an issue with your order.
Really having creamy pasta and americano, but got the wrong stuff. I'm not trying to be difficult. I starving, and now I am respond.
Understand. Am I really sorry about that? We made a mistake and we want to make it right.
Yeah. Thanks. I just want a good meal and milk today.
Here we will do. We remake your order just the way you want. And to say sorry, we also like to offer you a free dessert. How does chocolate cake sound?
So, thanks for being nice about it.
Your satisfaction matter to us. The news order coming.
Done. Pasta bowling and coffee brewing.
Add a slice of chocolate cake. And next time double check the order slip before sending it out.
I feel bad. I'll be more careful from now on.
Everyone makes mistake. What matters is fixing them the right way.
Here you go. One creamy pasta and one Americano and a slice of rich chocolate cake. I'm really sorry again for the mess up.
You fix it, and it looks and smells amazing.
Your order will be perfect from the start.
Thank you for giving us a chance to make it right. Tadi ya.
Dia.